Looking for a fitness app that builds custom strength workouts just for you? Let's break down what makes Fitbod one of the top-rated training apps today, and whether it's worth your time and money. Hey everyone, welcome to Lux Fusion, where fitness meets lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore how the Fitbod app works, who it's for, its best features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's a smart tool for your fitness journey in 2025. Fitbod is a strength training app that creates personalized workout plans based on your goals, fitness level, and available equipment. It's like a personal trainer in your pocket, but smarter and more flexible. Fitbod is packed with features designed to make your strength training smarter, more personalized, and easier to stick to. Here's what sets it apart. 1. Personalized workouts. Fitbod creates custom training plans based on your fitness goals, training history, strength level, and available equipment. Whether you're at home with dumbbells or in a fully stocked gym, Fitbod adjusts to you. 2. Smart algorithm. Every time you log a workout, Fitbod's algorithm learns more about your performance and recovery. It continuously updates your plan to ensure variety, prevent overtraining, and keep you progressing. 3. Muscle recovery tracking. Fitbod uses a visual muscle recovery map that shows which muscle groups are still recovering and which are ready to train, so you're never left guessing what to work next. 4. Equipment flexibility. From bodyweight only to barbells and gym machines, you can customize your available equipment list. Fitbod will build workouts using only what you have, perfect for both home and gym users. Built-in exercise demos. Every movement includes a short video demo and written instructions. Great for beginners or anyone learning new exercises with proper form. 6. Progress and performance tracking. Track sets, reps, volume, and total weight lifted over time. Visual graphs and charts make it easy to see how far you've come and where to push next. 7. Workout variety. Fitbod offers a wide range of workout types, including full-body routines, muscle splits, push-pull legs, and more. You can select your focus or let the app handle the structure for you. 8. Seamless logging. Logging your sets and reps is fast and easy. No spreadsheets or guesswork. Fitbod even suggests weight increases based on your progress. Offline mode. Traveling or without signal at the gym? No problem. You can access your workouts offline and log your sessions without Wi-Fi or data. 10. Integration with Apple Health and wearables. Sync your data with Apple Health and other devices to keep all your fitness metrics in one place. Pros: custom workouts based on real data. Easy to use, clean interface. Workout variety, workout tracking, and analytics equipment options for any setup. Cons: no live trainer interaction. Premium subscription required. Can feel repetitive for advanced users without variation strategies. Fitbod's smart algorithm learns from every session you log. It adapts your future workouts based on what you've trained, your recovery status, and even your fatigue levels. This helps avoid plateaus and overtraining. Fitbod is perfect for beginners needing structure, intermediates wanting progression, busy professionals needing quick, efficient workouts, home and gym users alike. It's not ideal if you want real-time feedback or interactive coaching. It's more self-paced and independent. Fitbod offers a 7-day free trial, which gives full access to all premium features. After that, it's a subscription, monthly, around $12.99, annual, approximately $79.99. Fitbod has over 11 million sets logged every week and thousands of 5-star reviews on the App Store. Users love its simplicity, flexibility, and results. It's ranked among the top fitness apps year after year.